So right now we use Archer for a full array of applications throughout our risk domains. So we start simple with the risk register, and then we've made our way through issue management, metrics, all the way to complaints, model risk management. We use a lot. So I'm in risk operations. I'm a sister department of enterprise risk management. Risk operations is responsible for how Archer digests the information, what information comes into Archer, and then the ultimate reporting out of Archer to the executive teams. So my team is responsible for the ultimate reporting from Archer into a management risk committee, a board risk committee package. So we're showing the trending, the overall heat map, the overall analysis that is being produced by the business units. We've continued to enhance it. We've had initial implementation where we had risk register and issues, and then we've continued to add on and really layer in the different elements for the different risk areas of the bank. We do have a process that we call the risk roundtable. And so risk roundtable is all of our direct reports of our chief risk officer. So that roundtable meets immediately before some of those management risk committees. And what we do is we start vetting the information that we've gotten from the business units to make sure that we don't have something that may surprise a chief compliance officer or our BSA team, things like that. So we go to that committee with a lot of information out of Archer. We start with scorecards that have been kind of dwindled down, but then we have appendix that give them all of the information. That process has worked really well for us because it allows us to take the information and there's no surprises when it goes to a management risk committee. So we've gotten pretty good feedback from the executive team on what they're seeing. We continue to get requests for more enhancements, things around trending and things like that. So trending is something that's on our roadmap for next year to help see where the data is coming from and where are we going from an Archer standpoint. What we have realized is that Archer has really helped us from a documentation standpoint to prove our effective challenge on a risk assessment. Archer has helped us to prove why an issue needs to be extended and who vetted that extension through the life cycle of an issue. So we've built programming, very simple workflow that will take that issue and route it through, its appropriate approvals. So in some cases, all the way to the chief risk officer. Just here recently, I was able to use some of that documentation to show, yes, this issue's behind, but it's been presented. It's went through the hurdles that we've put in place, and everybody's okay with it. So I think that has been something that has really helped us mature. What we try to do is that the business unit, when we show the information to a business unit, we really try to give them everything that they can see inside of Archer, whether it's a complaint coming from the complaint module, a model assessment coming from our model risk team, or a series of metrics or issues or controls. So if I'm an owner of a business unit, I can look through my dashboard and see everything I need to see. So we've definitely tried to make it integrated in terms of ease of use and being able to point to the information really quickly to give them what they need.